Hi there! This video is here to help you with short multiplication involving decimals. Short multiplication is a written method of calculation. This example shows short multiplication being used to multiply integers or whole numbers, but we are going to use it to multiply with decimals. If you would like a reminder about the short multiplication method, you could always watch our short multiplication video. Let's work through a calculation together. 5.2 multiplied by 3. We set it out in the same way we set out short multiplication calculations with just integers. We can put the decimal point in place for the answer. Just line it up with the other decimal point in the multiplicand. We then work through the calculation using the short multiplication method. First, we multiply the 2/10 by 3. 2 times 3 is 6, so 2/10 times 3 is 6/10, which we write in the tenths column. We then multiply the 5 ones by 3, which is 15, so we write this in the ones and tens columns. This means that 5.2 multiplied by 3 equals 15.6. Let's try another one. This time with 2 decimal places. 6.32 multiplied by 4. Pause here and set out the calculation ready to use the short multiplication method. How did you get on? Did you remember to line up the decimal point in the answer space with the decimal point in 6.32? We can now work through the calculation using the short multiplication method. First, we multiply the 2/100ths by 4. 2 times 4 is 8, so 2/100ths times 4 is 8/100ths, which we write in the hundredths column. Next, we multiply the 3/10ths by 4. 3 times 4 is 12, so 3/10ths times 4 is 12/10ths. We need to regroup because 12/10ths is greater than 1. We write the 10/10ths we've regrouped as 1 in the ones column, and the remaining 2/10ths in the tenths column. Finally, we multiply the 6 ones by 4. 6 times 4 is 24, but we need to add on the 1 from our regrouping, which makes 25. So we write this in the ones and tens column. This means that 6.32 multiplied by 4 equals 25.28. Now it's your turn. Find the answers to these calculations. Remember to line up the decimal points and regroup if you need to. Pause here to find the answers. How did you get on? Check your answers and pause again to take a closer look if you made any mistakes. 9.2 multiplied by 6 equals 55.2, and 8.73 multiplied by 5 equals 43.65. Time for a challenge question. Use bar model B to find the total value of bar model A. Pause now to solve the problem. Let's have a look at how you worked it out. B is 3 lots of 0.76, so we need to calculate 0.76 multiplied by 3, which equals 2.28. If B equals 2.28, each of the parts of A are 2.28. A is 2 lots of 2.28, so we need to calculate 2.28 multiplied by 2, which equals 4.56. So A equals 4.56. I hope this has helped you to understand how to carry out short multiplications using decimal numbers. If you still need more maths help, we have lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website, so make sure to check them out. Thank you for watching.